Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to a true gem of the plant kingdom, SAXIFRAGA STOLONIFERA TRICOLOR. Join us as we delve into its rich history, explore its captivating features, and uncover the secrets to successfully growing and caring for this delightful plant. Originating from the enchanting landscapes of East Asia, specifically Japan, Korea, SAXIFRAGA STOLONIFERA TRICOLOR has a captivating history that dates back to the early 19th century. It was first discovered by plant enthusiasts who were mesmerized by its tricolor foliage, earning it the popular nickname strawberry begonia. Feast your eyes on the breathtaking beauty of SAXIFRAGA STOLONIFERA TRICOLOR. This herbaceous perennial boasts heart-shaped leaves adorned with a striking tricolor pattern, an elegant blend of green, pink, and white hues. Its delicate foliage gracefully spreads on runners, resembling miniature strawberry leaves, adding a touch of whimsy to any garden. To ensure the healthy growth of SAXIFRAGA STOLONIFERA TRICOLOR, it thrives in bright indirect light, making it an ideal choice for both indoor and shaded outdoor spaces. Ensure the soil is well draining and consistently moist, but take care not to overwater, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Enhance the charm of your garden by companion planting SAXIFRAGA STOLONIFERA TRICOLOR with other shade-loving beauties such as ferns, hostas, and heucheras. The contrasting textures and colors will create a visually stunning and harmonious display. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, SAXIFRAGA STOLONIFERA TRICOLOR offers practical uses too. Its leaves are edible, featuring a mild and refreshing flavor, perfect for adding a unique twist to salads or as a delightful garnish. Additionally, its compact growth and trailing habit make it an excellent choice for hanging baskets or as ground cover in shaded areas. And there you have it, a captivating journey through the history, description, growing conditions, and uses of SAXIFRAGA STOLONIFERA TRICOLOR. This enchanting plant brings a touch of elegance and versatility to any garden or indoor space. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating episodes on gardening and farming. Happy gardening!